Hello friendly friends, so today we are going to talk about freehanding something on a surface. So I was painting this cape and it's a big ass cape and it was red and had blends in it. Like I really actually very happy with what I have produced here, but I wanted to do a little extra. So today I am choosing to do a little freehand and I'm going to talk around what to think about when you're doing freehand. So there are many ways to tackle it, but what I am doing right now, I have found a little photo on the internet. So I Google up clowns because I want to have a circus motif on the cape, and I found a shape that was kind of easy to paint with my brush, so I went for it. So you can see this clown picture here, and you know, it's just a basic circle shape and a triangle shape. The body is a triangle and the head is a circle shape, so that is doable. It's something I can do with my skills. So I went with, to paint over this red, I used a skin color, so it has white pigments, but it's not like white, so it's easier to paint on it, and just 2 layers of skin colors over this red cape, and it's covering very good. And it's a little squiggles and stuff like that with the cape. It's not like a straight shaped canvas. It's having its nicks and crannies, but it's fairly easy to do. Another way to tackle this, if you wanted to do, don't go just straight into like off-white colors. You could use washes like sepia, brown sepia colors, and try to make the shapes before, like a little sketch before you put in some colors. But I wanted to make a white silhouette and just go for it. So I'm painting here a little bit, and let's just wait a minute and we will see how it works out. Alright, so it's been 2-3 minutes and it's everything is dry enough, I would say. 2 layers of white, and now I'm going in with black. So I'm making the shape of the circus hat and stuff like that. And I'm just trying to plan ahead. So you can see I put in the ears on the sides there as well. And just trying to ease into it and just whenever you are painting freehand. So if you can see my little finger there, it's resting on the holder. Can you see that? Let's just wait a little bit and we can see. You can see there the little finger is resting, so I'm using that as a balancing act when I'm doing this, and I'm just trying to always have a wet brush, and before it dries up I put it in the water again and just swiggle around and refresh the brush with new paint. So just trying to mimic the image a little bit. I'm not concerned by like copying it like one-to-one how it looks. I just want to have a general idea of what a clone looks like, and this is to be honest, I'm very happy with how how it turned out. Okay, so I put on a little turquoise, and now I'm just squiggling in some dots all over the place on his cape, clown cape, and yeah, just relaxing, making some fun shapes in it to break up a little bit monotony. And already you can see a lot of I think it works very good on the cape, to be honest. Alright, so I figured out it was too white on, like skin white on skin white, so I made a little lines here, and I tied up again with a little line over it, like so, and there you go. Now I think it represents a clone good enough. I'm very happy with this result. So here's just a little tip and idea. Don't be afraid to do freehand. It is easier than you think. Just give yourself space and a motive that is easy enough to do, and just think about shapes like circles, triangles, rectangles, and just put a little bit color on it. And you know, no worries if you mess up stuff, you can paint over it and do it again. It's one of those things, you know. So this is the result I went with, and I am very happy with it, so hopefully you think it's cool as well. So there you have it, how to freehand on the cape. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all my patrons. Thank you everybody for commenting and watching. Okay, yeah, take care and goodbye.